Jira Project Management Review, a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Jira Project Management tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this comprehensive guide on using Jira for project management. So if you're new to project management or someone who's just transitioning to Jira, I'll walk you through the basics. So let's dive in. You're gonna go onto your web browser and type in Jira software. Jira software is actually project management software by Atlassian, and this is how it's going to look like. So first things first, let's start by setting up your Jira account in about 2 minutes. It's super easy. All you have to do is enter up your work email, or you can simply sign over with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or even Slack. I'm gonna go quickly head over and sign up using my Google account because it's easier that way. And one great thing is to just by signing up, you can have about 10 people use the same Jira software account. Let's head over to the dashboard now after creating it. They'll ask you a bit of questions to personalize your dashboard for you. What type of team do you work in? It could be customer service, HR, sales. I'll go with customer service. And what is your role? Let's just say I am an account manager and I work with all of these steps, and then we click on next. So you can simply choose to skip this as well. This provides you of more of a personalized dashboard if you go over and answer the questions. The next up is for them to select the type of template you'd like. There are about 3 different ones. This is for business, very collaborative for your team members. This is for Scrum. I actually really go with Kanban type, so I'm gonna select that and move on to next. And after creating our project, we're going to land onto the dashboard. This is where, our central hub for project activities are going to take place. So this is how my dashboard looks like, and this is my first ever project. And once you get started with Jira, they ask you if you have been previously using the interface or no. So I'll just click on I'm not familiar with Jira and start using it. So this is my first ever project. Here is where I can add in different projects in the Kanban view. These are the tasks. Let's just say this is for to do, this is in progress, and this is done. And I can simply add in more and add in more columns to add in the tasks that are here. Let's skip over with this. And simply these are my cards in the Kanban view. I can type this up and search for anybody working with me and change the name as well. Like this could be daily tasks right here. And here is my to-do list. These are the tasks that are in progress. These are the tasks that are done. And these, let me add another one that is for review and final lookout. This is another card that I've added up here. These are 4 right here. And these are the projects. This is where my work is going to be showed up here, the work that's assigned to me, the recent work that I've done, and the work that is dedicated in my board. This is the filters where you can search across different, you can, assign different filters and search that specific type of filter. Let's just say I want to search for video uploading, right? I can quickly just search that into the filter area and see where that specific word is being used across all the boards. These are the dashboards here. This is one dashboard that we're working on, which is the Kanban project. You can create multiple dashboards by clicking on create dashboard, and you can view your dashboards as well by simply clicking on view all dashboards. This is your teams where you can invite people to Jira or create a team as well. These are the plans in case you want to upgrade to an advanced planning tools. You can also try that up for free, but the one we have currently is free and it can accommodate up to 10 people. These are the integrations and apps that you can add in with Jira software. You can explore more, manage more, and view app requests as well. Now I'm here at the project area. So on to the left hand side, this is my timeline. These are the things basically being displayed into a calendar view. This is for a month, these are quarters, these are weekly, these are for today. This is like where I can see everything in retrospect. This is the board we were just working on with, and you can add in different views like backlog, issue navigator, a board, and so many more by clicking on more features. But we don't want to get into that now. Let's move back to the project. But here's where you can see the multiple different views that you can add in, and you can also code and work on your operations by on-call. Let's move back to the project. And these are the project pages in case you want to have, capture your team's knowledge and improve the way you can get your work done. You can add in pages into here. That way they can type in things or, information that is really necessary and, more apart from the boards. Here is also a shortcut. You can add a shortcut and, create a link to a specific source that you guys really use. You can just simply create it by adding here. And this is repository, which is for you to add in or show information about the branches, commits, and pull requests and Jira issues. Okay, that being said, let's move on to our projects. This is the one we're trying. And there's also a go-to market sample we can try, which is included free with our plan, which is really great. Let's move on and move back to our timeline and our boards. Here, let's start with the project management, and here are the to-do lists. Let's just say create an outline for the meeting. This one's done, and you can manage the issue types. Let me just simply add this in. This one's done, and you can also assign it to someone by connecting your Jira software with Slack. That way you can have your employees from Slack connected to this software. You can dismiss that and you can assign that to someone and they're gonna get notified. Another one I can do is which is to brainstorm marketing ideas. And once, let's just say this one's done, what I'm gonna do is simply drag it and drop it into the in progress one. And let's just drag it and drop it right here. And once this is done, what I can do is simply drag it once again and place it in done. So, you can keep track of how your tasks are being done and if they're currently being done, if they're done, if they're under progress, or if they're, done and they're ready for the final lookout and review. Now, that being said, and you being playing around with all these filters to organize and track your work very well, you can, really personalize your tasks, to-do lists, in progress lists, and the done ones. And that being said, let's move on to viewing our dashboards. This is our default dashboard that is viewed to public. And let's simply start by creating a dashboard. The name could be anything actually. Let's name it tasks and give it a brief description of whatever the dashboard is about. Change it to your My Organization so any logged in user can actually use it. And the viewers, let's change it to project. It's a project, this one. Let's add in my Kanban. Let me add that project. And the editors could be, once again, everyone. So any one of your employees can use it. And I can simply click on save and create a dashboard. And the dashboard is created already. So here onto the dashboard, we're currently onto the editing mode. You can drag a gadget to this column by click, or you can simply add a new gadget. It could be your activity stream assigned by me. Let me just simply add that. These are the tasks that are assigned by me. And here I can add in other gadgets if I like, and simply choose to change the layout if I like. It could be shown this way, or in this way, or also this way. And what I do is once I'm done personalizing it, I simply click on done, and I simply click on create. It's pretty easy. And we simply click on create, it's done. Fill in the necessary details and create it. So we've created that as well. And that's it, guys. It's really easy to, use Jira to collaborate and work with your team members for your businesses all at one place and manage your projects really effectively. So as we conclude, remember that Jira is a powerful tool that offers more features than we covered today. You can explore additional functionalities as you become comfortable. For this video, this is it for me to show you how you can start by creating a project management board. And guys, I hope you find this helpful. Keep happy project managing and keep exploring more of Jira software. Thank you so much for watching.